We're back at Camp Nou today, continuing our detailed walk around the stadium to see how the construction is progressing across different areas. Day by day, the picture keeps changing, sometimes with visible advances, sometimes with quieter zones, but the work never truly stops. Let's start today's update and take a closer look at what's happening right now around the stadium. Now moving toward the Cafeteria Diamond, where glass installation is actively underway. At this exact moment, a new glass panel is being positioned using suction cups. This process requires extreme precision, as the panels are thick, heavy, and likely very expensive. Several glass panels have already been installed along the sides and front of the structure, with only a few gaps remaining. Coordination between the crane operator and ground crew is clearly visible, with careful signaling to ensure perfect alignment. In the South Goal area, multiple activities are happening simultaneously. Work continues in the lower section where supports for the lamas are already in place, and workers are adjusting connection elements using elevating platforms. New panels have appeared in this zone, raising discussion about their material, as they resemble insulation rather than solid concrete. Additional panels are visible toward the back, indicating that this phase is expanding. Cranes dominate the skyline here, with one active and another temporarily idle, while interior works continue behind the visible structures. On the lateral side of the stadium, an important structural update stands out. The third radial beam is now in place, marking another key step in the compression ring system. The fourth compression pillar remains on the ground for now, already prepared and ready to be lifted in the coming days. In this area, stair structures still show some missing panels at upper levels, and trucks loaded with lamas continue to arrive, indicating that upcoming installation phases are well supplied. At the corner section, progress continues with the installation of lamas in the lower false ceiling area. Several new lamas have been added since the last update, and anchoring systems appear ready for further installation, even though diagonal sections are still pending. At the north goal, preparation work continues steadily. Insulation material is visible near the corner, along with installed supports for future glass panels. Glass units are stored nearby, ready for installation, while scaffolding remains in place and adjustments continue in the upper structure. In the tribune area, activity remains limited, with minimal movement compared to other parts of the stadium. A concrete pump is visible but inactive, something we're seeing more often as major structural phases near completion. Several elevating platforms are positioned around the stair structures, though most are idle, and overall movement in this section is minimal compared to other areas of the stadium. Overall, today shows steady, step-by-step progress across the stadium. Some areas remain calm, while others, especially glass installation and lama preparation zones, continue to move forward. The transformation may be gradual, but it is consistent across all sections. That's it for today's Camp Nou update. If you want to keep following the progress, make sure you're subscribed. It's free and helps the channel grow. A like also goes a long way in helping these videos reach more people. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow with another update from Camp Nou.